Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing one health tip, one simple veg meal preparation, going for shopping while it's going to snow, and my first plant which I bought after moving to Canada. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now quickly let's get started. First I will share the health tip which I usually follow regularly in my day-to-day life. These are dry figs which I have chopped into small pieces and I will be loading it up in a glass jar. Followed by I will be filling it up with extra virgin olive oil. These figs are miracle fruits which are very good for cleaning your gut, and also along with olive oil it is very helpful in boosting your digestive system. Early in the morning and at night before going to bed, you can have 4 to 5 pieces daily and you will see the difference very much. This is my health tip for today, which is very helpful for kids as well as adults. Keep this way in the countertop with olives. With olives I take at night time. In the early morning I take it along with avocados. You can also just simply take figs with olive oil itself. No worries. Avocados and olive oil both are of good fats which are very good for you to keep full and not make you feel hungry again and again. So along with that, these figs, it's a very good miracle combination. Sure, give it a try. Now let's start preparing our veg meals for today. As it was a heavy non-veg meal yesterday, today I planned for pure vegetarian. Here in US or Canada, wherever you see in grocery shop or Walmart or any Kroger or Target, you will see beetroot along with its leaf, stem, everything. Whereas in Indian shops, you will see only beets. I used to buy in Walmart all the beet stems and leaves together, and I also prepare everything together the same way how I am doing it right now. You can see I have chopped beetroot stems and also the leaves. Now I will be preparing 2 dishes simultaneously to save my time. In our house I use all olive oil only. Here I get it easily in Costco. It is not extra virgin olive oil, it is light olive oil for cooking. I use either olive oil or coconut oil or even ghee and sesame seed oil as well. Now I am going to prepare one curry, that is beets, beet leaves and stems together, and the other one is chana masala. I am preparing everything from morning to night as we will be going outside in the afternoon after lunch. After adding the oil in both, I added zeera, and for chana masala extra I added kalonji, that is black seed. After adding that I added onions, and in both I will be adding the same type of masala. You can see ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric powder, dhania powder, salt to taste. Nicely give it a good mix. When you are preparing one dish, if you do the work like this simultaneously, you work for 2 dishes, you will be done at the same time for lunch as well as dinner. I had lot of chicken left over from yesterday, so I am not preparing any non-veg for today's side dish. Chicken masala is already available. Now I am adding tomatoes, beets and stems. I will not be adding all the leaves now. I will add the beetroot leaves after the beetroot is well done, because beetroot will take a little longer time to cook. In beetroot curry I use tomatoes, whereas in chana masala I use tomato paste. Nicely give it a good mix. Check your salt, check your spice level and add enough water to the consistency you expect. Nicely mix it well and cover it and cook until the vegetables are well done. If you want to add more gravy to this beetroot curry, you can grind tomato and onion and make a paste and then prepare the curry. But today I am not doing like that. I have just fried onion, tomato, and for the curry to be thick and to be more, I am going to add moong dal. I have soaked moong dal and I will be adding that moong dal with this beetroot after the beetroot is well done. Followed by the beetroot leaves also I will be adding only until the moong dal is going to get cooked. These beet leaves will be also getting cooked. It's a very, very healthy curry. All of you can try if you find these beet leaves in your local market. Most of the time I will cook brown rice in my house. You can see in many of my videos I have already shared that. Brown rice is the one which you cannot make it like dum. Exact quantity of water you won't be able to measure. Finally, chana masala is ready. I added garam masala and some coriander leaves and I will be just turning off the flames and now it's ready. Brown rice will take really very long time to cook and I don't have the strainer also. My pod is not yet back. It has started from US and it will be reaching. It's reached Canada and it's not yet reached to our location yet. I'm just managing all my kitchen works with very few utensils and very few gadgets. Just trying to help myself with few things. As most of my utensils and gadgets are in the pod, I don't have the strainer to strain this rice. See how I am doing in the traditional way. Everything is getting reminded now, flashback, everything comes to my mind. In focus, there was snow in the evening, but still we have to go for a little bit of shopping to get ready for the whole week. So we started early in the afternoon itself so that we'll come back a little bit early. As always, when we start for a long drive, we need a coffee. Tim Hortons. We bought coffee. Then you can see everywhere still snow. Snow is like every 2 days once it will be snowing. We thought it's just going to have a snow shower. See, already the snow didn't melt yet, but it is going to snow again in the evening. We had a small pickup in Home Depot. When we entered, instantly in the entrance itself, I saw my favorite section that is full of plants everywhere. There were so many cute plants and I can't resist myself by not buying it. I bought my first plant here in Home Depot. I bought 2 plants today. I will be sharing what I bought later on. Our main shopping was in Costco. In Costco, today we saw instantly we enter inside. First offer available was for Instapot. While we were moving from US to Canada, my Instapot got repaired. And now I don't have any cooker or any pressure cooker. So I immediately grabbed the offer. There was a very good offer also on Instapot today. And there were so many new designs on all these porcelain new serving sets. They were really very, very pretty. But I didn't buy any of these. Already I have enough. But I bought one thing, that is these organizers. These shelves are great organizers for your kitchen and anywhere in your home. So I just grabbed one of those. In Costco, suddenly I happened to see these guavas. These are also a miracle fruit which you will not find often in US or Canada. But in Costco, I saw these. Very, very happy. I just grabbed 4 boxes of this. First I took 1 box. Later on, after going for 2 rounds, I came and took 3 to 4 boxes and we will be enjoying all week long. These guavas, a full box for $650 is really great price as well. Suddenly we saw that too many people rushing towards the billing counter. Then we know that snow has started and everybody want to quit immediately. When we came out, it was really a blizzard. We were not able to walk. It was heavy winds with snow. We were not able to see also. It was just going through my eyes. I was not able to walk. I was even literally going to bang the cars by the side. We thought it will be just snowing like shower, but it was not so light too. Somehow we managed to reach our car, and by the time we reached itself, our car was fully covered with snow, and the cart in which I took the things from Costco also was getting covered with snow. Very quickly we loaded our car and managed to reach home safely. Next day morning, first thing I did was I chopped these guavas and tasted in our own style how we used to have it in our school days. Just sprinkle salt and chili powder, and it was amazing, nice, and the taste was also really very good and sweet. After a very long time I found this fruit, so I just was very happy. All of us were enjoying it. Now you see, I bought string of pearls. You would have seen my previous videos, plants videos, gardening videos. I already had the string of pearls and jade plant. Only 2 plants I bought. This is my first plant collection after coming to Canada. I also bought these pots from Walmart. For the string of pearls, we don't need to repot. Just I am keeping it inside this designer pot and it's done. But for us, jade plant, I need to repot. It is very small and it will grow bigger also. Few leaves came out. I have just kept them for rooting. Let me see whether it gets rooted. And this jade plant, I just bought a little bigger pot and let us see how it works. I'm not sure how it is going to grow because it's peak winter over here. I don't know whether it will survive also. Let's see what happens. These plants will need very less water. I will be watering them only 20 days once. Let us see how it works. Hope you all enjoyed and liked today's video. Take care, stay safe. Soon I will be back with another video. Until then, keep making lots of good memories. Bye bye.